Hi, I'm Siemer, and I'm going to be talking about how to use SMC's Pro Picket today. But first, I'd like to highlight a few details about the Pro Picket. This is a compact picket, so it's 21 inches long. That helps make it light at 12.4 ounces, and it's also easier to stow on a pack. It includes a permanently attached cable with a high-vis attachment point. It's got this smart feature where you can coil up the cable and pass the eye through this slot. This manages the cable and keeps everything neat on your pack. The highlight of the Pro Picket is the encapsulator head, which fully envelops the end of the picket extrusion. This eliminates mushrooming and ensures that the Pro Picket will last for many seasons of heavy use. But before we talk about how to place the picket, I just want to mention that this video is no substitute for professional instruction in mountaineering. We advise that you join a mountaineering club or use one of the many excellent guide services out there to get proper instruction. I'm going to show 3 different ways to place the Pro Picket. The method of placement is determined by the type of snow we have. We'll start with a placement for the softest snow condition, the horizontal dead man. Start by determining the direction of pull, then dig a narrow trench perpendicular to that. The softer the snow is, the deeper you want your trench. Place the picket in the trench with the cable pointing toward the load, and then backfill it with snow. Be sure to compact the snow in layers as you fill the trench. Once the trench is filled, you can clip the load to the cable. In firmer snow, you want to use a vertical placement with a midpoint cable attachment. Again, first determine the direction of pull and align the cable in that direction. Set the angle of the picket approximately 25 degrees back from perpendicular to the snow surface. That works out to a little less than 1/3 of the way back to the surface of the snow. Then, pound in the picket with your ice tool while keeping a firm grip on the cable so it cuts through the snow. Try to drive the picket so that the head is at or below the surface of the snow. Make sure the cable is cut all the way through the snow, otherwise it'll have a tendency to pull the picket out of the snow when the cable is loaded. Once you're sure that the cable is in place, you can clip the load to the cable. In hard snow, you might have to use a vertical placement with a top clip because the snow is too hard for the cable to cut through. As usual, you want to align the cable with the direction of the load. This time, angle the picket 15 degrees back from perpendicular to the snow and pound it in with your ice tool. Drive it as deep as you can. Once placed, clip a carabiner to the hole closest to the surface of the snow, then clip either a runner to it or just clip the cable through it. Now you can attach the load to your picket. I hope that you learned something today about how to use SMC's Pro Picket. Its superior durability, lightweight, and smart features make it the best picket out there.